Setting up your online account with Kele is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. On the Kele.com homepage, in the top right corner, click Register. A registration form will appear asking for your personal information. Start by entering your first name, followed by your last name. Next, type in the email address you want associated with your account. Keep in mind, this email address will also serve as your username when logging in to Kele.com. You'll then be asked to provide a phone number. Enter the best number to reach you in case any questions come up about your account. After that, create a secure password. Here are a few tips for a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and/or special characters, and avoid using easily guessed information, like your name or birth date. Once your password is set, click Continue. This will open the company information section. The first field asks what type of business you are. Use the drop-down menu to make your selection. Next, enter your company name. Now, pay close attention to the next option. It's very important. If your company already has an account with Kele, check the box labeled My Company Already Has an Account. This will open another required field where you'll enter your company's Kele account number, which is also known as your Kele customer ID. Connecting your online account to your company's existing Kele customer ID ensures you'll have access to your company's negotiated pricing and discounts, plus any restricted product lines your company is authorized to purchase. Continue by filling in your company's billing address. That includes the street address, city, state, and zip code. When everything looks good, click Continue to review all your details one final time. If everything is correct, click Create Account. You'll then receive a welcome email confirming that your Kele.com account has been successfully created. And that's it! You're all set to start shopping and managing your account online at Kele.com. Once you're signed in, go to My Account in the top right corner. There, you'll find your account information, order history, and personalized settings, all in one convenient place. This tab will let you see any parts you've saved for an upcoming project or ones you order often using our project portal, a feature only available to logged-in customers. Clicking on this tab will enable you to quickly view and track your recent purchases. Having a Kele account means more than just shopping online. It's your gateway to a faster, smarter, and more connected experience. From exclusive pricing to streamlined ordering and real-time account access, your Kele account helps you keep every project running smoothly.